Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Amazon, click the Create Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Visa gift cards on Amazon is a very straightforward and easy process. Remember that Visa gift cards have a preloaded amount. For example, this one, it has a $200 gift card plus $6.95 purchase fee. Click on it. Of course, it would help you stick to a budget and avoid overspending on Amazon. Now, you see, this item cannot be shipped to your selected delivery location. But of course, if that happens, just choose a different items. All right. Now, remember that using a gift card can help maintain privacy by not linking your personal credit or debit card information directly to your Amazon account. Now, once you have purchased a specific gift card, the gift card balance would reflect automatically here. Okay. For example, if you have chosen a $20 Visa gift card earlier, and you have scratched the code, it would automatically be added here. For example, you click on the redeem a gift card, you would be redirected to this specific page wherein you can just enter a claim code that is not required and click apply to your balance, and obviously the balance would be reflected here real time. Okay, that's how you add a Visa gift card. Now, for example, we're going to purchase a certain item, which is going to be the Jordan's shoes. When you hover to the buying options here and click on the buy now option, all right, click on the button, you would notice that you have an option on the checkout process about your available balance. All right. All you're going to do is enter the Visa gift card here. You can choose the code. Click on apply. All right. And what will happen is you would be able to transact the checkout process smoothly and go to the last part of the section for the items and shipping. All right. Remember that Visa gift cards offer flexibility, security, and control when shopping on Amazon, making them a convenient payment option for many users when using them for online purchases. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.